In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Canva. If you want to get into your Canva workspace quickly so you can continue working on presentations, flyers, social posts, or any other design project, this process is very simple once you know where to click. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can sign in without confusion and get straight to your dashboard. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer. It's a good idea to start with a fresh browser tab so you avoid any confusion from old pages or expired sessions. Once your browser is open, click into the address bar at the top, type in www.canva.com, and then press enter. Give the website a moment to load fully so you can see the Canva homepage clearly. When the homepage appears, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll usually see two main options there. One is for creating a new account, and the other is for accessing an existing one. Make sure you click the option labeled Log In. This will open Canva's sign in window and take you to the next part of the process. At this point, Canva will give you a few different ways to access your account. You may see options to continue with Google, continue with Apple, or continue with email. Choose the sign in method that matches the way you originally created your Canva account. This is important because using a different method than the one tied to your account can make it seem like your designs are missing when really you're just entering through the wrong login path. If you select the email option, enter your email address in the field provided and click continue. After that, type your password carefully in the password field. Take your time here, especially if your password includes uppercase letters, numbers, or symbols. Once everything looks correct, click the Log In button to continue. After Canva verifies your details, you should be taken directly to your Canva home dashboard. This is your main workspace where you can view recent designs, open folders, and access team or brand assets if they're part of your account. A quick way to confirm you're in the right place is to look over the left-hand sidebar and check that your recent projects and navigation options are showing properly. And that's it. You're now logged into Canva and ready to start designing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.